Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong new moon in Pisces sa February 28, 2025 at 8:44 a.m. Philippine time. So itong reading na to, maaring mas makaresonate dito yung mga Cancer rising, okay? So kung hindi nyo pa alam kung ano ang inyong rising sign, meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon, link on the description. Although pwede rin naman itong mag-resonate sa mga Cancer Sun or Cancer Moon. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe, like, share this video, comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, so for you Cancer, itong new moon in Pisces is happening in your 9th house. 9th house of study, higher learning, maari ring meron kang bagong belief system, no, na gusto pang i-explore. Can be religion or any belief system. Bagong paniniwala, bagong perspective sa buhay. Especially that yung iba sa inyo nagkakaroon ng major spiritual awakening because Jupiter is in your 12th house right now, although meron tong square which is a challenging aspect, pero kasi ang Jupiter is a benefic planet, so ibig sabihin yan favorable itong changes na to, itong challenge na to para sa'yo. Para siyang blessing in disguise. Maaring sa ngayon nagkakaroon ka ng kalituhan about your current situation, naguguluhan ka pagdating sa pagdedesisyon mo, kung ano yung susundin mo, kung ano yung ipupurso mo sa buhay. Okay? Lalo na kung yung iba sa inyo gusto nyong mag-abroad or gusto nyong i-pursue yung inyong pangarap ng pagtuturo, no, teaching or publishing. Yung iba maaring gusto nyo magsulat, no? Let's say pagiging writer, blogger as in like online, or yung iba magsusulat ng libro or ng stories, yung tipong pang Wattpad, 'di ba? So some of you are going to use your imagination, no? Neptune is also in your 9th house. You're going to use your imagination in creating your destiny, your life's purpose, especially that Mercury and Saturn is also here in your 9th house. So marami kang experiences at learnings doon sa experiences mo na yon, na kung saan nare-realize mo na yung limitasyon pala na binibigay mo sa sarili mo is yun yung nagiging parang balakid sa'yo para mas mag-grow pa. Okay? So you are growing from within. So itong growth na to is spiritual para sa'yo. So it's a definitely spiritual growth. Some of you naman, you may be thinking about moving to a different country. Gusto mo mag-migrate or magtrabaho sa ibang bansa or sumubok ng makipag trading sa ibang bansa. Okay? 12th house kasi is also about your mental health. So maaring things are changing for you pagdating sa belief system mo. 'Di ba minsan kapag meron tayong nakagawian na may tradition na tayo, or ito yung nakalakihan natin na paniniwala, and then eventually nung nag-mature na tayo, marami na tayong natututunan, na-expose na tayo sa katotohanan, sa mga nangyayari sa mundo. So ngayon parang iniisip mo na, ay, yung palang pinaniniwalaan ko ng bata ako, iba pala yun sa totoong buhay. So a lot of realizations for some of you. So let's see what else. Kasi ngayong new moon in Pisces, this is a new beginning for you pagdating sa pagsaset ng goals mo. So, yun nga lang, maaaring ma-overwhelm ka sa mga ideas. Fertility, ayan. So, you're going to be very productive. I think meron ka ngayong creative ideas na you want to make it happen. Yan lang, parang paikot-ikot siya sa isip mo. So, yun yung isa-challenge mo yung sarili mo kung paano mo yun maisa sa katuparan. O, 'di ba? Magtiwala ka raw sa sarili mong kakayanan because you can definitely do it. O, may teacher talaga. Oo. So, maaring iba sa inyo ang inyong career or trabaho nyo, teacher. This can be teachers sa school, or you are like a mentor, or nag-share ng knowledge, ideas sa iba. Can be a spiritual teacher too. So this is the message for you na a sign for you, sign to sa'yo na ipursu mo kung ito yung gusto mong gawin, like mag-share ng knowledge, ng skills mo sa iba, kasi ito ay in alignment of your destiny. Kailangan ano siya i-share mo kasi maaring sinasarili mo yung mga ideas na yan, yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Ace of Pentacles, new opportunities, new beginnings for you na finally you will start. Na kumbaga magtatanim ka na, itatanim mo na yung punla. You also have Temperance. So this is also patience, kasi maaring may mga times na nagmamadali ka, gusto mo agad, may resulta na yung ginagawa mo, but definitely you will focus on your patience pagdating sa paghihintay ng resulta. And you also have the Ace of Wands, which is new beginnings, a spark of creativity, a spark of enthusiasm. Wow, Two of Cups. Oh, some of you, this can be a partnership with someone. Two of Cups is also your relationship sa sarili mo, like your higher self. So, for some of you, Cancer, this is a spiritual awakening for you. And then, maari ring meron kayong like a new partner sa buhay mo na magbibigay sa'yo ng influence. Malaking impluwensya sa'yo tong person na to on how to find yourself or to improve yourself. Kasi minsan may dumarating na tao sa buhay natin na sila yung parang nagiging guide natin or mentor natin, kasi parang sila yung catalyst na nag-awaken sa mga bagay na hindi natin dating alam tungkol sa sarili natin. Attend to the details. So for some of you, you're going to be very parang meticulosa. Oo, sa mga detalye na kailangan nyong malaman sa mga bagay na sisimulan nyo. Meditate and contemplate. So meditation, contemplation, this is part of you centering yourself. Yan din ay makakatulong para to release the negative energies around you, or to detoxify, or to de-stress. A time to give rather than take. So some of you, maaring meron kayong service sa ibang tao. I think yung teaching, mentoring, training others, or sharing your knowledge is a way para sa'yo, na way mo yon to give back to others. And with that, you will be blessed. You will be fulfilled sa anumang pinupursu mo, especially if you are sharing your knowledge to others. So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. See you again.